All right, thank you all so much. I know plenty of people that they enjoy this music, and if you almost finish, so much just finish your music. But as you join, make you share this video extensively, as you be aware we don't be restricted. But thank God, say we still get more than 250,000 people to watch, and soon we'll have 1,000, soon 1,000, and stuff like that. So let's keep sharing. All right, thank you so much. All right, so Mami and Padden, I salute you now for Grand Zero, for Grand One, for America, for Europe, for Asia, for any other part of the world with watch. I salute you now. I salute especially what brothers them with the day for Cyprus, especially on the day for South Africa as well. I salute those with the day for Morocco. And don't forget, especially our refugees and for all the camps across Nigeria, across Ethiopia, across Ghana, of course, Ghana too. Then we'll not forget our prisoners, and most especially our prisoners and way that is suffered during this period of COVID-19 for inside the various detention centers and for the Republic of Cameroon. We'll not forget our brave fighters and way they did down there, and they give all the courage for you for continue this fight. And don't not forget what Mami them where they did for even inside the Republic where they don't run the day like refugees and two, and then what IDPs them, and the one the way they even go find money for buy data for watch these videos, and we thank you so much. So when we come, so we got for concentrate for dissect the situation where they go on for our revolution. We'll get this big news where they come from Yaoundé, we don't get a leak about some money issue where we will talk on today for the live show. Now I want to thank all now and for saying, may God bless you now. When you join this live show, you share extremely very, very fast. Now, predominantly, Mami and Papa them, the revolution already there for where we on. I don't see the shape, we don't take them, we don't see who's on a revolution we go. We don't get definition about the rate of the support and the understanding of what to work for do. Now, why that over the past days, the issue for kidnapping don't reduce extensively because I don't continuously preach the need for respect the community, and I will still continue to preach them because now the base that will get them for survive this revolution, this independence war, will fight them all we. We'll get to understand again, say we don't get a new slogan when at 10% because as you be aware, plenty people them, if not 90% of our people they come online not only for make noise, they don't know how to defend the truth, they don't know how to speak the truth, they don't become so political that they take credit where some group they do some work for themselves. So when they do this, they just try to impress people, but the focused 10% Ambazonians them they continuously work for the good of the revolution. Now we go straight to the points about Don Chotamogo talk today. For 4 years now, Cameroon government don't struggle for Kiwi. It don't struggle and it don't kill plenty of our brothers, but it never kill the ideology. It never kill the liberation enthusiasm inside we. Cameroon government, it is still struggle till today for make sure say, make it completely eradicate inside our minds them the issue the way we get them as far as our independence be concerned. But we as a people who don't talk say no. We will fight this fight till the last man standing. Yes, of course, we get some of our brothers them when are enablers and when they are infiltrators them. But we, the 10%, we don't continuously remain firm. And only you being part of the 10% will change the game completely as we don't change them over time. Now, make we go straight to the point. La République du Cameroon need to expect, say, by now, despite the fact that they get a trained military and a military will be trained but untrained for kill civilians, burn villages, they don't do everything for burn these villages, kill our people, displace our people, but what people, they never stop. Now, why that way? They don't move from one strategy to another, but it never work. They move for create DDR center will not drop guns. They move for talk special status will not drop guns. They do all sort of things. Just so they go crush we will not drop guns because we will not ever drop those guns. It not will ever happen, not this generation, not next generation, until we get independence. Cameroon government therefore no say, we not go drop guns. And as the chief rebel, where the government want to head so badly, and they promise the government today say, I get the moral responsibility for divide the country, make the go that with that Cameroon will come on with Southern Cameroons with O and S at the end of the end, or aka Ambazonia. The country must separate. That one, it be very clear. We don't already separate psychologically. Who again they waiting for Southern Cameroons, for Ambazonia, where they call themselves the Cameroon? Nobody. But we still use their currency because for now, now still our currency. We use their passport because we get for use them because our money for palm oil, where they use them for make passport, where they buy those passport bullets. Now our money for Sonora, where they use them for buy those passport bullets. Now our money for timber, where they use them for even pay the reserves for the CFA, where they use them. So we'll use them until maybe if the government not be careful, we'll ban CFA for them to use them because our money they don't use them for create those things. So all we get to be committed. We not blame, we not look all those people the way they distract for social media. We don't talk about issues and we don't move on with do other strategy backstage for make sure say we bring our revolution back on stage and the revolution don't come back 100%. So we are not worried. We not go see all those up and down. Now why they don't talk say it go be so sad. Say Chris, people they go take what clothes them. We the 10% who don't go with the wash. They can't take our clothes and they run go for street. We'll follow them. We'll not go follow them again. We'll go concentrate because we'll get to change the game and our responsibility that. You don't ask yourself, why? Now only for Manu, they go swear Maxine. Say because, you know why? Why not only for Manu? So government, it takes strategy. Now because it depends on the rate waiting that go on for a particular area. When they create Didi Ariston and for convince the whole of Ambazonia, say they do a American job weapon, no, it not work. The only say the only place where some one activist there, where it worry government, it disturb government. The only place where fighters they strike with precision. When they bring back the memory, say revolution, see then a manu. They say okay, oh yeah, tabetandu. Una go swear Mexican for Manu. Una fighting Eric Tato. Una right say be terrorists. Una fighting that boys. But it never work. It never work. Now government, it don't go for a shobby. It go kill people them. So that they go say na Amber boys will know all those tricks. No Amber boy no go bush a person for a house. We don't talk with a shobby people. We wanna be aware because ask yourself why not only after mayor a barrier. Where this thing happen because the government won't try for see the science say Mexico never work. They go for different technique immediately for go bush up people them so that they will make the population. Now when I talk say population, consider your population as an Amber fighter. It be very, very important. It be very, very important. Civilian consideration are the maximum thing we'll get them for the war for win. Now we see the Uncle so go chop cup for them. For a shobby because they want to say waiting. If now you were the key brother for a shobby, automatically you know like Amber because they want Clemson and Amber. But now we not be Amber. So the people they for mind you, they get for be wise. Government know. Say they heart for the revolution and man. Now what I see, where one year say they don't keep 5 military, they don't keep 10 military. Man, you get precision to the government say they can't confess. If you write the military their name because enough hide them. Would they kill, then will take pictures. They go military hospital, will they take pictures? So that is the definition. Now, why that way they hardcore for the revolution, government want to do everything for destroy and for stop the resistance from Manu. But we too don't talk say, we all as a people, we must stand firm. We must do it, we must stand firm. So person say they are Amber boys. How will you know they are Amber boys? Now, what I will tell you say, nothing say because say, now boys the way you know them or you don't know them, it means that Amber boys they know. People they will government don't buy them over now. Why do they call them say you get put there say Atanganji boys? Yes, those people exist. So not ever tap no butchering of civilian to any genuine Ambazonian patriot. They will not do it. Any man where you go kill civilian for a house, now La Republic automatically. Now La Republic. Yes. So me that one be known for the Manu people. Me that one be known. We, the people of Mali, we, the people of Southern Cameroon, aka Ambazonia, we don't talk say Cameroon not belong to our area. We not belong to them. We two separate countries. And so it will remain. Whether it will take with 30 years, 50 years, whatever length of time, we will fight this fight to the last man. But I think assure our people say, will not get even up to 2 years for big detox them out of Southern Cameroon and Ambazonia. Yes, take it from me. The plan is there and they will leave our territory. They will leave. When you see some person where he then pro la Republique, hold on one. I will talk this one, then I will give you a small explanation. We get to understand. We get to understand that significantly. Say the time don't reach way, we square up, balance up our strategy. As I don't talk, collaboration or unity, it not will ever be for this revolution. But the 10% ever been a point where they get the objective for which side their direction there for fight this war. And the 10% don't define this revolution can reach now. And so long as every tattoo belongs to the 10%, now what I will see for the whole Cameroon, now every tattoo a head with government one time so badly. So badly. Now wait till it don't happen. I'll go step by step. I come with the breaking news from Yaoundé. Wait till it don't happen. Cameroon government is completely finished. They be so frustrated because some fake lawyer, if it already take money 200 million plus land where the government give for Yaoundé for the bill etage, say it will make sure say it will dismantle Eric Tato for USA. Now so talk. You see, there are some of them, they go talk say, oh, me Eric Tato no move videos and because it's Eric Tato ever move from a video. Go for YouTube. All videos there for YouTube about Eric Tato. Not be Eric Tato put up. Now put they just have a Facebook page put up. One my live show is there for 50 YouTube channels. I not get time. If therefore they don't type Eric Tato, Gary Master, it is not touched. Because that is my legacy. Yes. And I will tell you now why that one I will see now wait to happen. This fake lawyer I'm not calling them because will not be glorified. I'm not calling them. They don't do everything. Go look this page, this Eric Tato page. Notification need to go for plenty of my followers. I will show now, next show I will show now where you'll simply they tell me say even for invite for them, they like my page and not invite for them. It be restricted. Cameroon government spend how much? 200 million CFA where they give this fake lawyer for here for my case. He don't take the money chop. We're not there for you now because court don't dismiss the issue. I'm not going no court case. And I tell plenty of people, say listen, say oh Eric Tato, you not go to jail. I say listen, I not get American court. Listen to me. It not get jurisdiction for trying me for any issue where I not commit any crime for this country. Yes, I've not done that before. Since 3 years ago, I started and say, Gary this, Gary that. They don't interpret that all kind of way. But we don't tell they say, now only we will define the meaning of Gary. So when I see they make noise, this one I will turn and say, I win case for court where I not go. But Cameroon government spend how much? 200 million for put me down plus one etage for Yaoundé. The one I will tell the Amber fighters and say, and what other people they say, we not already win this fight. Now, because I don't win, wait to happen. See to where this Cameroon lawyer, this fake lawyer go do. He go bring some fake document. I go show now. When I show you, you go laugh, sute, you tire. He go bring some fake document. They write something for day. I will come there. One quick minute. Good. All right. Okay. I want to pull out the document quickly. Just keep sharing as you join. Perfect. Now the cases where court dismiss them, and the whole fight that offer share them, you see all other people them, it treat them like group. All the rest them, he call them ambassador this because it call them in group because group now you not you any person. But when it comes for Eric Tato, he's singling me out. He say he go bring some fake person. And this defendant Eric Tato say I do it. He quote them. And this so much screenshot and see the case. So good, very good. So he single me out, but they go court what happen. Josh tell he say no, he not go work for Donald Trump country. Not be Cameroon where they take Wazizi, they kill him the very next day, and then they lie say a case he come up. Now in this, you see how they put Eric Tato. Say Eric Tato don't cut put a hand, he don't do this, he don't do that, and so on and so forth. He talk all kind of things about Eric Tato. Magistrate tell you say, judge tell you say, that one no go work. He tell you say, wait, he said that one no go work. So we win the case. Now for this lawyer now, for him to please Yaoundé, he go fake something say restraining order. I try to find some person be selling for me yesterday. I try to find them. When I see him, I go let Mona know. I just check him very quickly, see if I will get them. So he go fake something. I go down quickly. Very good. I don't get them. So he go fake the one. I forward them for my other number so that when I go see which way this desperate Cameroon agent they do. So he go fake something say. Court don't give me restraint order because he wants to satisfy social media because after the judgment come away and not go court, he go claim say don't give me restraining order. They bring some name. Wait with the name. Mercy to person in what the court has granted the temporal orders checked what and so on. So they don't go. They take another the right pen. They go see him. They will circulate him. Eric Tato on the hot seat. What he doesn't want his donors to know. Eric Tato in trouble too. Fire on the mountain. All donations to that is to pay lawyers. Now in that. Now La Republic that. So it bring we not one thing. You see, they say restraint order. Go even assuming self say now restraint order that. It's case the restraint order need you pay lawyer. Cameroon government no. This guy don't do na very, very well. So they don't gonna go fix some documents, sign here, say restraint order. And then the person where the restraint me now who? I know the person goes out. So you see go for machine. Now whether the guy get for lost a license. He get for lost a license. All the tonton, all that thing so Cameroon government tonton, all that thing so say just go attack DAC. He cannot say all donations to DAC. Now in that, he write am with it. All donations to that is to pay lawyers. That's it, right? For restraint order. Why? Because government don't understand. Say, we not the 10%. We don't put in place a strategy where it don't redefine the revolution. Yes. Now when I see all man internal enablers and the attacking a DAC, everything that don't become the most popular platform. Where we say they go down, we haven't talked much about that. So you don't say it don't be so powerful where government panic because Cameroon government be strategic in the way that they do that propaganda. They look at the future. Say no, the way they go, now it will sustain this war. If we not do everything for destroy the DAC, then we're in big trouble. You don't say they need to concentrate for any other fundraiser because they don't say those things they need exist. Yes. All the eyes are on DAC. Now, why that way? No matter what, we will stay firm. Yes, now the truth. Now in this, my show now need to talk now from space. So it will bring fake restraint order first and foremost. Fake. Now in this, it's all donations DAC to pay lawyers. No, man, first of all, if you get issue for America, state give you free lawyer. That's the first thing. Number two thing, I say, I don't get no case court with Cameroon government. I don't win them, one no go court. I don't win them, one no go court. So for any please, he put about 200 million way take them, and the house will be bill for Yaoundé. He do a ticket for bring some new thing after this one don't come out. By the way, every day you restrain order means simply mean say me no go corner some person. Me no go the number of meters corner some person. No go for a house. Now me no restrain order that. Now who they give me the restrain order? Person they Cameroon give me a restrain order for America. Oh, and then you see that of the sheriff. Yeah, every time they hot soup, they almost take pen, they write one. Enablers for this side for MTTB, they write their own. Say this is why every time cannot take this man to court. I just laugh. I say, God, the way when I stupid. The worst thing I say, the 10% for dark. Wait now, they won't liberate ambassador. They know the strategy. I asked one question, say, if not be saying man a charge and be lawyer, will not be calling him. It because he find a publicity. How someone be there for Cameroon? La République du Cameroon, it give restraint order for man for America. How is that possible? Let's ask this question. How you feel even about California on our side you did? You did fight for this man restraint order. Just with Granta, for example. But then the issue where they at stake. Now for Cameroon, the issue they happen. So what is the connection between Cameroon and America in restraint order and jurisdiction when it comes to legal issues? So you see how this Cameroon government be so stupid. Extremely stupid. They go this I know what. I win them one over one case. I know right now opposition say, oh, I don't know nothing. I don't even do nothing. I don't even sign them. They say they'll win you by default. I say me they win me by default. I don't read it. They go, the case has been thrashed. And this is the power of the Ambazonian revolution. Yes. This is the power of your revolution. So now I will tell you exactly, say the government has failed. Now whether we must concentrate for put all hands on deck for dismantle and separate completely, geographically, economically, everything from the Republic of Cameroon. We never ever deal with that country. You know what happened? We are gone and we are gone. Till the world will end. As Ambassador Cohen already talk, Cameroon will be win-win. The area Pobia Bim Bondon. He call for dialogue, the better for you. The area, the United Nations, African Union, they call for a pure negotiation for we will leave them in peace. The better else. We will make sure say if boy and not exist, Yaoundé not exist. Yes. And now I talk very clearly. Say some people they used to talk. I've already talked from the beginning of this revolution. From the beginning. I've been calling and say ATM across the Mongo targets. ATM. Yes, from day one. I've been talking. All man can criticize, but today they talk the same thing. Time don't pass where the fight for remain inside Ambazonia. We have to train, hit squats for go for Yaoundé, go for Douala. It get for B, and this one it will happen soonest. So make Cameroon be aware. Say nothing not going exist of the two countries. Yes, and this one be strategic for we to understand. We'll keep fighting and fighting and fighting until the last man standing. Make I talk this one too very clearly. Say, one congratulate what boys them way they do a great job for Bamenda Road. But I will talk something because I got a reservation on that. I will just play the video quickly. Make una hear, una see who then do that job for Bamenda Road. So, I've already talked. My job now to make sure say I bring the truth to the people. So, we'll play the video.
Yes, fellow Ambazonians them. For una front, our grandpa will use squad them. From travelers, they don't blow road go reach for inside Momo. You say now for 1 week, we got to walk on top the road, military not go pass. But something don't come out. Some group don't come the thief grandpa walk. So grandpa we stand for una front. He talk. Make I tell una say No man, na he go from travel, no reason why he cross Bali territory. Work for day, go reach inside Momo. Only person wey fit boast say he want support we for this 1 week shutdown. Now people them for Central Barra for Batibo, we them too, we grant from Batu, we the fit talk say they don't support we for do this work. How will they start so? And so the blockage day. You commanded them for the east. They don't block go reach for travelers. We AJ don't talk say that they are picking them block them. They want now for Bali Central. Then after you see on the road this way, you go for Batigo, all thing na blockage. All thing na blockage. Now 1 week way we go there on top of the road. Military go come, they go discover to say would the mourn great heroes then way they die, especially Boss Acid. Would the mourn again the civilians the way they don't die in crossfire and they want the military not intentionally they shoot and kill them. Would the mourn Wazizi, the journalist, we mean La Republic in Nakam, he die, we be there for Boya. Now why that will block this road say now 1 week and military he one can find them, he go can see them. He no pay will always meet up. Make he come down now. Oh, I don't lie. Now ADF no road. No. Yes, now we Bali Restoration Force then we block this road with 1-5 military. We not deny and say ADF may not fight your own war. We not deny and say we hate them, but I say may they not the thief glory for other restoration forces them. So now so grandpa we turn up from our front. He say make a tell we now. Long live the Federal Republic of Amazonia, short live the struggle.
More clap for that Bali boy. Yesterday, I was on WhatsApp group where I put phone for charge. You know, my work now say, I not get me no problem or no man, but we got to always speak the truth. I was on group where some person be make noise about this road blockage. I tell they say, listen, not be when I do them. Me, as the fight as a top, I don't talk say 90% of the job to be done by independent groups sponsored by their own brothers, not anybody in the diaspora. Some from our own pockets, some of we. I congratulate the restoration forces for Bali. Tomorrow now, they want to claim, tomorrow now, pick them, okay, claim the credit, say, not them. I don't talk severally. And we get to respect the sacrifices of our people. It be bad. Say, they picking that they do something. Look, they reach they go to and do video only for disprove now. And this is what has happened time and again. They don't talk so waiting. You don't hear they call ADF La Republic? No. Means you see the boys they in accordance with which at the top. They know say ADF not be La Republic. But tomorrow now, pick them, all these soldiers of economy, we chop $1 million here. They will come now to say, oh, ADF not La Republic. But at the same talk say ADF not La Republic. Tomorrow to ADF will talk say, every cato, now you don't go bring that boy, they can make video, but now Balipo, they don't circulate the video. I be yesterday, I just should not be quiet. The truth now say, the truth remain the truth. You get to understand. So when the guy say, are you aware that Mezam will raise 400,000? Yeah, no problem. We'll be aware now. For audio money. These are the things that when we look at, we don't ridicule ourselves beyond any way where they feel redeem on again. Beyond any way. We need to deny money that they announce on money for audio. We agree. But now the boys that they block road, we not give them $1 from the 400,000 when I raise and but they block road. Tomorrow, I can't say, now, raise, now, block the road. When I don't call any group for they call their village. Because I've already talked, say, no matter what you do, like with the former National Army, but groups them still day way, they hold their identities tight, and they'll fight for defend their people. You can't lie, say, always, you see the Sakopo, they will run for condemn ADF, say, now so ADF go claim credit. Their own bad, because they lie, say that they raise money, they need shit come kobo. Now you see that the share thing of WhatsApp say, me they help ABC TV. But they don't raise 400,000. Listen, the truth is always the truth. We go know in 6 months, that money I don't raise them. We go no. 6 months, when I begin to counter. I be turn and say, thing like Swiss talk. When I know the talk, you go, now hear anybody talk about Swiss? No. If the Swiss themselves, they didn't even talk about Swiss. No money tweet again talk about Swiss. Now, when I go create some fake one-man post and make a tweet talk Swiss, this, Swiss, that, and so on and so forth. All we never understand, mommy and father. Like I was still continue for talk, say the worst thing, whether ever happen for Amazonia, Nasako. Yes. I the come, me and the come for support some person. Now ADF don't go thief credit no. I don't blast them for group. Blast them for group very well. They say on the lie. They don't look at now in this now video they don't come out. Now they even take them, even Dr. Cho, they take the thing, do flyer, put out for them, they ask donation. For picking their blood, picking their sweat. Where one talk, they'll cast that cost you. So every time that this, you be infiltrator, you be like Republic and so on. Any name wanna call me, agree. I not be denying on them because Jesus Christ will also say, Father, forgive them for they do not know what they are doing. I see pray me my ancestors they forgive now. Because I don't know what you're going to do. I pray me the ambassador ancestors they forgive now. Me all fighters on die go before me they forgive now. Me mommy happy they forgive now. Because una be absolutely out of una minds. I not be comprehend why all this kind of grandstanding. Do want the thief credit here, do want the impress position don't raise money. When I don't do things they will be exactly like Republic style. Yes. So it be so terrible. Extremely very terrible. Say people them for this 21st century. If you ADF supporter, right? Either you hate me, go up, go calm down. When ADF do something, I'll catch it do. I go sit on today to 100 years. Say I know 99.99% of the things that they happen for ground. I get chat for her. I feel show now. Where I talk now yesterday, not be today. I tell the person to talk, he say ADF don't do that. They say listen, ADF not be ADF do the action. Go up, calm down, not be them. And this is what should stop. It be absolutely unfair. When I only bring confusion, when I bring query for place where you know they. What be the essence? Do your own. Picking will go strong with the block road, they do this, although I can't talk about the road blockage, and I go appeal for the Bali people, they mean they open the road. Yes. This one at time will be strategic. We need fight now revolution. We need create now jails for our people. Revolution means liberation. So I will come for that. So you know if you get picking them not struggle the block road, they do things. There are people when they do all this, when they forget something picking they record before they record the video and keep them. Then wait when I go take the credit, then they put the video outside. They get pictures. And it be so ridiculous, say all time ADF they can't claim say now they don't do this thing, but they ever report the news 10 or 20 hours after they don't see it on social media. Why it be so? I never ask myself those questions. Something happened for 2, when I can't claim something on that. But when I claim that 20 hours after, how you feel mastermind and oppression, then you don't know immediately. The guy, your boys are going to tell you, you're going to be the first to report them. But 99.99%, if not 100% of the news where they happen on the ground, ADF they ever report 10, 20, 50 hours after all man. Because you are not aware. These are things that should not be happening. I don't talk to some group say, Dr. Cho feel being a good man, but when they disgrace the man very immensely. It's a pity. And it got to stop. ADF not be la Republic. Yes. ADF not be la Republic. But then when they ridicule the group so terribly, something happened for you and I don't know. Okay, take for example. Something happened for Manfred, every type of reporter, I put on my status, ADF so they can't read them, they go claim the victory for them. It's so bad. All time I report 10 hours, 20. How if you carry operation where key military, you don't know. Then the one when I even got report that they make up, it be nowhere to be found. We need some for no place. When I only can do propaganda, no place. Okay, now the only thing I claim and I say they don't kill, una kill some person from Bengue. Not be Gio. You catch small picking. Picking where you get mommy, get family. Yes, we can't forget the principle of higher good. Una catch picking the search for Gio from Bengue. Una don't catch it. Una claim una kill. As una claim say una kill. And they take credit for that kind of thing. Now what crime that? You catch some person, you announce them, you kill the person. What is the difference between that act for kill that search for Joe and what you like Republic for Wazizi? Ma ask the question. With the fight revolution, okay, for be tactical. You cry say justice for Wazizi. Est-ce que la Republic not cry to say justice for that sex when a claims on a killer? These are things that we have to be tactical. Cash it, show it for video. One it tells you that don't catch it, but they release it. Me no go back on that because I know the La Republic. That gives more credit to the revolution. Where one talk, go to put D1, do this, or Eric Tato has done this, Eric Tato don't do this, Eric Tato. Someone say, agent and indirect La Republic. Fake, never. ADF not be ever like Republic. Kill me anytime or tell me and say that is a lie. But the guys are bad. Extremely bad. They destroy Troy, but every day they go. Turn off even get sympathy because it get blockheads where they call themselves active. They can't online, can't make noise. Look at disgrace when I get them. Balipo or blog up and I go take all of them. No, see they boy them. Why AJ no more video? If na AJ fight has become, we for must see video. AJ the born only small place, we see video the whole place. What do I want a man do? They go from now only propaganda everywhere. Now video that now Bali that don't do the work. So I go urge all man find Bali people, give them money directly for those boys. Nobody have money say some war job of Mezamo because that thing of Mezamo na a tonton ya na cat. Na 419, na scam. Na scam, big scam. Listen, paradoxically, what people them, some, they don't be so dull to an extent where you need to want to understand. In fact, you not be diagnosed their dullness. Because imagine say, when enthusiasm be there for revolution, right? We take na general that from Jan, they call me. Na general that from Jan. So when you see that will be the way general. Hello? General. Okay, I'm not getting. That will be the way we do for everybody. Where all will be there to get all the support matric to Boya. How much will raise them? 811,000. Where enthusiasm be there. We not raise, although they raise all that money, I didn't watch up. But today with COVID-19 day, we need shame for can't scam the people. So they don't raise 400,000, 300,000. Only from top, they will not be able to do anything with money when I claim to raise. Yes. It's just a scam. Okay, they go use Pan Jolly to my name. As I told us, so they dig by a grave for Bukwango. Yes, now as I'm speaking. They dig by a grave now so for Bukwango. Not because they bury today. I'll give you a final date for burial because as I hear meeting, family began meeting yesterday. It could either be, they suppose them say Thursday, Friday, so now I will say weekend. They don't confirm with me. They can't use Pan Jolly to my name. These very Sako people. They write long thing. How when a Pan Jolly don't grab that money for Fako before he die. Pan Jolly to my daughter. A nanny look to me. He tell me, say me they leave his papa alone. His papa not be there in touch with anybody. Some people say stop showing his number, not showing number. Just write General Indian in number, not show. Now just name, please. If they say Papa be grab money before he die. Now Papa don't put contribution outside. How many of them don't contribute? When I the ones when I contribute for Mezam, every $100, 500. None of them don't put up a pie on burial phone. The Pan Jolly to me. As I don't talk about go make some small propaganda, find maybe 1 or 2 or 5 can go give pie family. Don't announce on the whole Facebook. Now the next thing I'm not done. But me one as an individual don't get much. So this is what is going on in this revolution. And the one man will stand by the truth. Now either AJ can crucify you or the Sako people them. But I don't turn and say, we have not change every title. Because if I leave now, I'll destroy this thing. But it will never be destroyed because the 10% is committed to liberating Ambazonia. We now can't lie. We now go contribute for power. We now go pay TV bills. Before I can't lie, so I don't raise money. Why when I do and so? Because and say they do they say we have raised 400,000. They put some kind name them. They start circling and say, just put your own, send the money here. You see scam? The guy they behave the same that these Indian scammers, the way they call you say, you have a problem with your social security. Then they start asking your social security, last 4 digits for your social security. Because they want to deceive Gang Zero. There is nothing. It's Sakonoff ever get legitimacy. Now for WhatsApp group will end. I'll turn at today till tomorrow. He will never be recognized. Because he fight tax for America, he'll be jobless, not sick man. He will ever be recognized, never. It will ever happen. Man put one straight for the head. So I can say, how is the case with the FBI? How is the case with this? It's going very well. I know the release strategy. I don't return and say Sako will go down and he'll go down. If it takes no matter how many months, how many years, but I'm going to follow that till the last. So no matter what you do, in 6 months' time, right? 6 months, when I go see the draft. Now when I don't say, oh, now I don't give that $200, $100, Sako don't draft una. COVID-19 they know if you for bring strategy for pay house rent, for pay insurance, for pay this, because that's it. So we all must understand that exactly the point. All of us must remain very firm. Una revolution don't be back on track. I don't condemn ADF for taking credit. Will not be their own. Whatever they want to talk about it, that will not concern me. at the condemned circle for stealing from the people and trying to do a tontonia eyes with them. I go back to the crux of the matter. Community mobilization, civilian consideration about the roadblock. All the barricades they put up for road, they get for remove them immediately, and I will explain why. When I say immediately, it means that I appeal to the Bali people. To those who they block for Kumbamanfe Road, I don't just come up for get me to one or two of them, I will still continue for call. Now, make all we will know. Say, when you do anything, you must think about the principle of higher good. Now, would you use the road most? And I want to be the raison d'etre for block road for 1 week. Is it going to impact the population positively or negatively? Policies are meant to facilitate the works of the population. A revolution is meant to liberate your people, not to enslave them and not to jail them. Therefore, by all calculation, all evaluation, the roadblock, it be genuine, but it be untimely. It not be well timed. Therefore, I appeal for any restoration fighter when you listen to me, for go now and take out the roadblock. Nobody about military. Because when you block that road, if it lead to civilian casualty, our people did that. We got to have a block road on Mondays. We're going to ghost town. We got to have a block road for a universal or a national lockdown based on an issue. If we block the road, that one be okay. But what people, they even be mentally prepared. They didn't even go out. So they don't even need to block the road. Or if you block road for lay ambush on military. But when you do them during when people they try to recuperate, for try to get food and stuff like that, you instead stop the people up. You can't do that. You can't go against your population. So all we must ensure, say we put our hands on deck, ask for fighters and take out the roadblock. From all the areas, those roads should be taken. If you see any person who can oppose this idea to take out the roadblock, National Republic, because they know say the roadblock they give them advantage over we for they can pick away, it not be necessary. Because population effects, when you block road for go Bamenda, now the command man pay the camp or the command Bamenda go when a boss, when a traveler, or when a patient, it be stranded. Government is glad they be frustrated and they need the vex for military. They the vex now to you where don't block the road and you lost support. Some people even call military for can attack you. Feeling shows that man be block road before my mommy died and so on and so forth. We get for be tactical, intelligent. Now at the time for getting more love from our population. Not be time for destroy our population. No other activist not be turn on this. They can't claim credit. They can't do this. But I stand with you because that is how it's supposed to be. Population first, anything second. You get to engage the principle of higher good at any time when it comes to civilian consideration. The military, if you suffer 5% from the road blockages, but from the roadblock, but no say the only person who suffer 90%, if not 99%, are your own person, your own brother when you come up Bali. If it be a terrible casualty in the course of a crossfire. Therefore, we urge all Amazonian fighters, true patriots, may they remove the roadblock. Bali people call. May they remove the roadblock. It not be one eye advantageous for our people. We mourn our people, we continuously mourn our people that the Republic kill them, but we not cause more deaths in the course of mourning our people. So we must be strategic in order for us to win the fight. We must be strategic in order for us to win the support. And the Republic will do everything. If you say I'm so going to move the roadblock, the Republic will block and back. Put strange people every day. Now who get for help now for take those people out? Therefore, if you assume, say, between today and Thursday, if any roadblock see the road, following this educational talk, means that the Republic figure that roadblock, not be amber. We get for be technical. We get for be strategic. Not block man for go buy chop for Tuesday. Not block man, it be needless. It not get any point. We get different ways of strategize for strategize in the military. I feel assured that my brothers and sisters, not ever job. You don't get your country. It will take time. We'll keep the resistance. And this is exactly what I'm saying. Now, when I say that they attack Dak with all their power, but Dak they go ahead. We know I can claim so don't raise 100,000. We'll not go do them. We'll therefore they all man see one money. We'll be the only group where get video money. The rest again are audio money. Only in a big talk. Most of them can't behave like the banga smoke at the way. Don't smoke banga, then they talk in future. Yeah, can banga man we want talk. Say he go marry six women. He go marry your chief a woman. I like that president woman. Banga man won't marry president woman. In fact, they don't even marry them. He said, "Beneath for say, I be the kissy." The friend asked for say, "I mean, last night for my dream now." So that is the difference between that and any other thing that's going on. We show the money, they talk the money. You get the point. So that is how it is. So now why I see that the public try to attack that by all form, all way. I will seize the opportunity for go for the and then before I go, another very important thing where I almost forget now the death of Chief Asanga. As now be aware, when you go for online, go for all posts away, popular people on Facebook. All of them, they copy the news about Chief Asanga dying from National Telegraph. We announce him when he died 1 hour or 30 or 45 minutes after he died. They play with that and all the details. And every day they'll bury a position. Some people, they immediately take him the next day or many hours after. They start saying, Chief Asanga died now because it goes swim mixing. Now they start put drafting and so on. I want to explain this thing. We, the genuine patriots of Ambazonia, will disassociate ourselves with that kind of news. We'll say, rest in peace, Chief Asanga, the chief of Kadifu. May God bless you. We yes in a COVID-19 kill you, and so doctors they talk. And we, the Ambazonian people, will sympathize with your family. No way, no way. No matter what, our own person will die. Una come anytime for social media and mock because some group of manipulate they go swim mixing. Una don't grab everybody there. It doesn't make no sense. Una go learn to respect people their dead bodies. Una go learn to respect people their families. Because when you see if na my papa or na my uncle die, you write that kind of thing. Automatically you don't wait tell me say this struggle the point not serious. Ma go out of the struggle. You know how many people you turn them off because of those things that or those things you write. That is it. So we all get to understand. That news where say go around say they ran the end with drafting this, drafting that about Chief Asanga na fake. Now don't put it just they automatic about propaganda. Yes, na fake. Even if Chief Asanga swear Mexican, there you go that. Excuse me, the Mexican killing. We get to stop those shit. You don't know if some people they even swear that Mexican they make them fake because they instead want to promote we. You don't know. You cannot jubilate over the death of somebody who will be helpless till he die. You never hear the way that chief talk against Amber or he talk for the Republic. It ain't quite. People they be caught in the trap. They be caught in between. We get to learn to respect our people. It be so sad, so disturbing. So when they don't come on and say, oh, now they say, oh, the chief, he was doing this and so on and so forth. Fake news. When you copy my story, don't modify it. Just write it the way you've seen it. As I don't tell now before, say if you not see news from me, where concern technical thing that the concern Southern Cameroons, not believe them. Not believe them. It takes me to the issue they talk say 10th of July or 14th or 15th of July, whatever date for July. What are the hell? I tell you, on a certain fake. When you hear they call something say United Nations Organization State, UNO State, UNO they exist. Only by the name you have offended so they put the Concordia story. They don't even know what they talk. They don't know what they talk. We get a UN. Any UN or another organization where maybe people they just do some people they go to hold a press conference and so on and so forth. They take them there. Nigerian president, yeah, they figure out what they write, they do that propaganda, but they don't probably understand the politics of what they do. And most of them they even talk in relationship to Bakassi and other areas. They didn't talk even about Ambazonia, that's the point. But we will get our independence, will not be distracted. So all of us must put our hands on deck. If you not read some kind of news from me, not believe them. The fact that no one write that story, not say it be 1 billion% fake. If you doubt them, between today and July, now 1 month, wait. After July, don't wait for July 15 if we will still talk this story. We will see the separation will be the way they talk. The unfortunate thing I say, they don't put date, they even specify the date where the thing will happen. More wait see. Go for United Nations website. Go for United Nations website. Go see what will happen. Might just delete this, James. Thank you. Bye. So that is how we operate. So we got to be tactical. So the fact says on news that you sweet you know that because that news alone will make them fight as they drop their weapons. Say, oh, independence they come. Those are still techniques. But we will get independence. But we not believe on fake news about our independence. By the way, geographically, it be impossible to mix you with the Atiku Abubakar and the stuff and others like that. So we all must remain very, 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 very steady. We all must remain steady on the truth. So we almost remain steady on the truth. So that news about 15 July na fake. Focus on your revolution. Forget those fake news. All right, so with that said, ladies and gentlemen, it brings me to that, talking about that, the best platform where you get physical money, not getting audio money. All the money that you get, na audio, no, or na always say na WhatsApp, na figure. I figure my go right, say would always 200 million. Who go stop? Who go stop her? Who go stop me not right for your war? The physical, the only place where you don't see money. Wine man not door for talk say a bird in hand is worth 2 billion in the bush. So you will see people the only kind of read money now for figure. We have raised this, the all this speech, you need to see $1. The very next day they forget say they don't raise money, they hear they cry, say they won't pay TV, me beg this, me do this. You never say I can't pay to money, I won't pay TV. Or I won't pay radio. If you say I need pay bills on my radio, I pay. They will never come and beg nobody. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, I will seize the opportunity for go for the dark website where now we'll do a me all man with the watch right now. I know do not exact fundraiser, but I will just tell you a few things about that. www.darkcommunity. I'm gonna not forget say one of our brothers on be our own platform where they can say Omojami. I will bring it one of these days for National Telegram for Eric to me explain that, because now the platform that I encourage all we maybe we'll go for day, go make sure say my see actually not dark this. So darkcommunity.com. Good. I'm almost there. So thank you so much. Some person don't drive $60 billion for Eric. Thank you. God bless you. Don't say I know. Very easy to drive. Just write it. I like this Ernesto Atam. I like you, man. You are the man. So now you see, it's easy. Any man you can write your own fake thing, you put on there. So we all as a people will be very grateful. We don't get now that this. We'll see how many members on before that so far. You see? All right. So we get 17,000 and $17,135. We get 331 plus members more. They therefore update the last registration. Now the spirit that for that. So if you watch me now, just go for that. If you want to register anybody, if you put any name, tell anybody you want to register a person, call it, give any nickname, just put an email, register the person. Just go there, go see. Very easy. So just go for www.darkcommunity. So www.darkcommunity.ma. Take this call from our general. General. Yeah, yes. When I finish live show, I call now, you know. Yeah. What's up on day? Now see the ground one. Okay. You don't come back. Okay, when I call you after the show, yeah? Yes. All right, so we thank God very much. One of our generals and we he be go ground one for go do some mission. He don't come back for come re-strategize. So now so the work. You see my phone there, I need touch, I need call man, then the call. And I want thank he say don't come back, he don't report. Now so they operate. So we get error for Indian way. We coordinate and we bring in things and so go continue to fight the war. That one, and one can test someone say drop for me, not drop for me. Where you hear action from Dian any of the days and you carry the to say, oh, now then do the action. They will claim this thing because he talk so man, I never talk in advance. Okay, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, make all we will must see. Okay, might just delete this criminal. Thank you so much. All right, so now I therefore move them out. All our Republic agents them way they cause confusion for them. So www.darkcommunity.com or www.dacommunity.org. When you go there, you do your registration. No man, if they don't see Eric Tato name, no. That not be any particular person. That na Ambazonian and community. No man it touch $1 for them. Now whether you see when it comes to my business, National Telegraph, any my achievement I post them because I don't owe no man any dollar. That's how it is. But some of them they buy houses, they hide them because they don't use their money for struggle. Instead, me I put my own money. So I will sit there on any time, any day. Say things they will do them strategically. And we must empower ourselves to be able to fight the war. Me, I stand like that because now the most transparent platform now. The most transparent. The money that they see, I'm no man if you touch $1. All man where you can't complain, say that this, now man you not put $1 for that. Any man who don't contribute for that, he know very well how much they for that. He know where to go on. So that is exactly the spirit. That now a defining instrument for the Ambazonian people. So be very, very happy. Say the 10% don't understand strategically. So go out there, make sure say you register for that. Register your member, your family members, register your friend, anybody. Just call, you register. Or you call that number where you see them for the site. You call, they will direct you how to register. We'll not do a lot now. We'll not make the show me be too long. As for Mojami, we will take some days, some live show for explainer. I recommend that platform for everybody. It's the best. I mean, almost Zinga, they use that for make call with them, Zoom. Now, social person for this that don't create. And they not ask no money go pay for joining them. Some other years they in a business. Me, I never know how it come about. Some other say na Ericato. We get our own national telegram, we get our own app. We don't create and scenes before any other person for the revolution. We don't create our app. Our app get sexual if you receive message alert from we just need to activate them. You get everything if you imagine. You get chat place. You get everything. National telegram app get and bet. And the city owner say, make una go for Mojami, which is very important. That one a general business. It is different from Erica to a private business. So anything where it be very good for pushing revolution ahead, I will always put them out there. By the way, I want to thank our president, His Excellency Sisi Kwayo Tabe Julius. The only legitimate leader where U.S. State Department recognize him, say now the leader of the Ambazonian Revolution. We thank you so much. We also thank Dr. Cho Ayaba, but say me caution the boys that they need a dirty image. And we say me God bless people like Dr. David Makongo, where he don't contribute thousands of US dollars for refugees. We thank Jomba Akuro, where they use a communication might. Now he help for stop CAF, for make me CAF stop football for Cameroon, the last camp. We thank Jomba Akuro immensely. We don't forget to thank Professor Carson Anyangwe, where they've not been in constant communication with Mola, Pamola family. Thank Section Milton Taka. We thank, above all, we thank Pamola family. Talk so we deal with them in this time. And may say, may God bless them. And may God bless them very, very greatly because their family this way, their papa don't sacrifice everything for this revolution. I'll just delete this what they call great way. Now, so I need go listen me for radio, okay? You'll get me for radio way enough you comment. So now exactly the point that we get to know one thing. Say these people, they are people the way they don't change this game. Thank Honorable Weber. We thank Dr. Fontaine. These are true patriots. We say me God bless them. Yes. So once more, I thank our president, His Excellency Seko, and all our prisoners, all of them. I thank the restoration forces for Bali and all other restoration forces where they genuinely fight for this independence movement. I thank Dr. Cho. But say me warn you people they may need to destroy image. It'll be very important for you for another one. I don't know if you ever forget Dr. Makongo. When a person that way, he get all man. You know if you can how many people the way. Now man when he talk, he make mop. Where he like have a war say he don't give 1 million or 2 million. Just sleep, the money don't go. In fact, he send them before he write. He need to say, I will. I have given. Now so Dr. Makongo they operate. Now the kind of that will want time for the revolution. Yes. I will beat my chest. Say now one man way. If you don't put money small for you, don't put like that 400,000 real money. You don't put that 400,000 where that go draft them for this thing. Yes. Yeah, I did some person for FACO, they inside FACO group, even tell me say Dr. Makongo. Now he help them contribute for their draft, he give $500. They're so glad. They don't ever see 500. So we thank Dr. Makongo immensely. Tell you say, Doctor, you be one man we will not ever see him. We thank Honorable Weber. Our papa that way, calm man, decent man, he not like he fight. We not forget Gonji Dinka. Those are people who have fought. Today we get what patriots them, like Justice Ebon, where they don't die go, Banjo Litumbe, where they dig a grave now so for Bokwango. Now today they go bury. we thank you family. And say me all man go find that donation link for pa he die. Put something there. Not before can he make noise, say don't draft this. Now time this draft for papa. They say Fako say Pam job be draft one at 300 and sometimes we die. But Pam job to be die. Fako people where they say they be amber, they not even be ready for draft even 1,000 put our Pam job to be form. That money when I don't draft them, Pam are part of the struggle. No. Me Fako move like 20,000, 25,000, donate them for papa he die. Me they give Pam befitting burial. Not be say family lack, but a part of support. Now so what you do. So no come. So go you wait for see how much pa Litumbe family go announce and say Fako Giam from draft money as na be draft the money before that. So we will leave me the bury pa in peace. We stop all this propaganda. So we also thank our brother and friend Henry Come where we don't contact. We say we need for whole meeting between Bank of Ambazonia and Dak. Good man, good journalist, professional journalist. We thank you so much. And for saying God bless you, brother Henry Come. It is among the people the way they don't put pie a picture. Go look and very well. He don't put pie upgrade pie a picture for a page as the icon for a page. I think why the very party weekend, all we Ambazonian for Facebook, I will recommend this one saying make all man go for temporarily between now and weekend with the berry party. All will change our profile picture then put na papa a profile picture. Make all we from WhatsApp to Facebook pages. After I finish, now wait till I go do them now for my own pages. I will change from my WhatsApp, I will put in a picture immediately after this show, and I will forget. If I forget, Mr. Brother Henry, remind me. I will change a picture, put an for honor of Papa. Make all man, me just upgrade a picture with a profile pictures and a picture. Put them for DP for your this thing. Put them for status for WhatsApp. Make we talk by me, rest in peace. That alone, it gives us a lot of respect. So all of us must make sure say we continuously remain strong. So but say Eric, which plan will you get time for money? Where the manipulate the sweat juju? No worry, we'll know what for do. Okay. So one thank all man and say me not forget. Say you be the 10% we make up that. Now why I don't change the game and we bless you now. Look how many I can watch this show today. Over 900 despite the restriction. Some people they need to see this thing, but we thank all man. I'm not thank on enough. So any man I don't salute, I forget. Another very important person I don't forget saluting now, Milan Atam. Good man. Where they try to rap you with Naira 10, but not ever work. And I will talk to you today to tomorrow. Say he be completely innocent about that, but we be stupid for live and meet people. They even try to deceive you about an innocent man. So the salute Milan Atam and the entire scope. We salute ladies them like Jessie Etambi and the rest of them. They fight fearlessly for this revolution. Mama Ambazonia, we do an excellent job. Excellent job for the Ambazonian people. We not forget Dr. Zama, Dr. E, Ouna, Gideon, Salas Atefo. We don't do a wonderful thing for put the revolution for this level. So may God bless you now. We are the 10%. We all will take Brother Henry comment an example, change he and Didi or something other name was saying for you. We change our profile picture for party picture. Yes, we will change our profile picture, put a profile picture there. So I thank all now so much. I want to thank to my sister Janet Akko, the watch from France, from Paris. Say God bless you, sister. Good woman. Me a salon business, me flourish. I advise all Ambazonians there. Anybody watch me, go for that salon. One of the best workers in Paris. Now, I think I'll end the show with our president in music as usual. We thank Almighty Watch and say may God bless President Sissoko Ayoktabe Jesus. And for tell you say you are doing a fantastic job. We love you, your people love you, and be rest assured you are going to come out triumphantly like the Mandela of our time. God bless you. So keep sharing as you join. Thank you. Why would you change our picture them? Why would you change our picture them into pie picture? Me all man change and put pie picture now. I will do them immediately for my WhatsApp. Assistant Vice President for Digital Services. Okay, then they say we brought at the call for explain something from that. Yes, Mish, you got any explanation quickly before?
also want to say, we want to make all man get your own account where you go there see money where you don't donate them. So people really donate via Cash App. If you not hear me, we advise say when you give money for Cash App, some places for Cash App where they don't talk say add note. You put your any nickname where you want to make the user of your account, and then put your email address with it. It be private so that we will create an account for you, put your money so that you will go for your own account, see your contribution the way you make them. So one job paid will people there, and we want to remind any man we don't make any contribution via Cash App, say, may they go back for the website, we'll get icon today with a WhatsApp. If you click with it, select same no how. They just get for confirm their Cash App name and the amount they be donated with their email, and then which will say we'll use some cross-reference and with the amount just to make sure say they the same, so that we'll create the account. Go on to me tomorrow, so man will go to the phone to CBD money for that, and then I see who say go, so that all communities, any man we belong do any donation for Cash App, try as much as possible for reach we give an email and any nickname we want user will create your own account. And make sure we don't watch them, and we are 10% now. Oh, yeah, thank you very much for your time.
God bless you, Brother Mish. God bless you for everything. Okay, we'll take another caller. So, person say, why I not salute Vice President Daphne Yerima? I salute Vice President for the excellent thing done for the project for Cyprus. I'll be forget, but when I salute the President Sisi Komis, I don't salute you, okay? All right, we'll take this caller. Hello?
Good morning, Eric.
Good morning.
How are you? I'm sorry to disturb you. This is Carly that was at the other building that you were at. I was just asking if you still check the mailbox. I was just asking if you saw any mail for me.
Which mail is that?
You still use the one, the 604 mailbox.
Okay, I'll have to check. Can you just call me back after an hour? Please.
Okay.
Yes, please. Okay. So sorry, I didn't know that was because I didn't have that number. I didn't know that was a private call or something, so I didn't know. All right. Now, quickly, we want to thank you all. Like I've talked, we'll take last caller. But me all mango change a picture for Panjo Litumbe. I see plenty of people always start changing. I'm just take a picture on our own morning that will month per where will the family for contribute for pie this thing. Okay. Thank you so much. We'll take this call from Metro. I know we want to take calls today, but I'm going to take the last call. Metro, 2 minutes more round off. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Nyamankondo. Yes, I just wanted to ask you one question. What do you make of the recent outing by Bo Herbert? Or is it an old video on my audio actually? Because it's about a day or two when he came out revealing certain things about the big idea of stuff like that. So if there's
okay,
to make about
quick answer for that. Quick answer for that. I don't follow Bo Herbert. Bo Herbert is a loser. He's a faker. I don't comment on his things. He has no value for the revolution. That's what I tell. That's the truth. Yeah, he's zero in terms of value. Yes.
Yeah, and then to conclude, actually, so we are still waiting to see you bring on board Don Pedro as he promised.
Okay, yeah. I'll work on that. We'll do that. We'll probably do that.
Okay.
All right, man. Don't forget to update your profile with past picture, both on Facebook and on WhatsApp.
Yeah. Please, I will do that just right away.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And then,
Those of you who don't have past, good picture.
I send a lot of messages, but you don't follow up at times.
No, I'll try to follow up, brother. Don't be angry, I beg. You know how it is.
Thank you.
Those of you who don't have past picture, please look at it. Take it from Brother Henry Comer's word. Just type Henry Comer. You'll see it there. Henry is Henry. Comer is Kome. So when you go to his page on Facebook, you can follow him. He's a great guy. Follow him and try to always read everything he says.
I know Henry Comer. I talk with him. He's a friend.
Very good. So go to his page. You see the picture there. Thank you. I'm even going to take the picture right away from his page. But Henry Comer, I beg, inbox me that picture for WhatsApp. My user right away from my WhatsApp, for my DP and for Facebook. Thank you so much. All right. Okay. All right. So God bless you, mate, and so on and so forth. We thank you so much. And we'll play our president music while I wait that picture to but Henry Comer for try to update me. All man use I don't see a couple of people don't change them. After this show, we'll change and put by a picture. Me all man update power for a profile will be very important. Thank you so much.
Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology.
So, yes, we're going to play our president music.
Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. I reach out to Mende Ajo, American President.
All right, thank you so much. God bless you, all right? And thank you, Mr. President. We are with you. You have to trust God that the strongest of the 10% know and understand exactly the fact that you stand for them, you stand for the revolution. God bless you. We're going to leave it at that. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you.